Blade assembly. Removed from the package, 1 main unit for blades to Type A blades, 2 Type B blades. Locate the A and B slots on the main unit. A slot opposite a slot. B slot opposite B slot. Each slot has clips on both sides. Locate the A blade and a slot. Press both side latches and insert the A blade into the A slot. Lead beads facing outward. Insert an A blade into the opposite A slot in the same manner. Locate the B blade and B slot. Press both side latches and insert the B blade into the B slot. Lead beads facing outward. Insert an B blade into the opposite B slot in the same manner. Gently pull each blade outward. If it does not move, it has been installed correctly.